Hi friends, welcome to my channel Simple Learning Tips. So this is continuation of the arithmetic mean video series that I have been uploading. So last week, if you remember, I had given you a small assignment. So I'm a person who will definitely follow up through. So this was the question, and that is height of boys were measured in centimeter, and these are the values given, and you had to find the mean height. Okay, so the answer is 144.6 centimeters. So if you have got the answer correctly, then congratulations, you have done a good job. Okay, so without much further ado, let's move on to today's topic, that is mean of group data. Okay, so in last week video we had seen mean of ungrouped data, how to calculate that, mean equal to summation of x by n. So we had done two problems related to that. So in this week it is mean of group data, mean equal to summation of fx by n. F is the frequency. Frequency in this scenario means number of time an event is repeating, okay, recurring event. Now x means variables, n here means total of frequency. Okay, it is not number of items, here it means total number of, sorry for the shaking, total number, the total of frequency. Okay, so without much further ado, let's move on to today's problem. Marks obtained by 20 students are given below. Okay, you have to calculate the mean. So how we are going to do that? We are going to use this formula. So it is group, see, mean equal to summation of fx by n. Now you can see here that this is also kind of an ungrouped data. We can use the formula summation x by n, but that will take more time. So instead of that, what we can do is that we can just find out the frequency. Frequency means number of times an event is repeating. Okay, so I'll write in tabular form f, and here we have to calculate fx, right? So because that is in the formula. So first let's write in ascending order. That means, see, what we are going to do is that we are going to group it together. You could see here in the question that 2 is repeating here, 10 is repeating here, 5 is repeating here. So all these variables are repeating in some manner. So we are going to group that, and we are going to use this formula here. Okay, so I hope you understood. Now let's start with ascending order. So 2, let's see how many times 2 is repeating. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 2 is repeating. Next, which is the ascending order, 5. So 5, how many times are repeating? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 is repeating 5 times. Next one is 8. How many times 8 are repeating? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we'll write 3 here. Then next one is 10. Yeah, it is 10. So 10, how many times 10 is repeating? Sorry, I hope it is visible to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 10 is repeating. Next one is, I'm just moving this little bit up so that you can see, 12. 12, how many times are repeating? You could see 1, 2. So I'll write 2 here. Okay, then next is 15. How many times 15 is repeating in this question? Only 1. Okay, so we have found out that, okay, these are the values given in the question and how many times, frequency of that. Now what we are going to do is we are going to multiply it. So it is 8, 25, 24, 50, again 24, 50. Now we have to find total of this, that is summation of fx, right? So summation of fx equal to, we can find it is 146. Now what is n? That is total of frequency. Okay, so what is the total of this frequency means this one, total of this is 20. So n equal to 20. So using this formula fx by n, we can write summation fx by n, that is equal to 146 divided by 20. So the answer is 7.3. Okay. So I hope it is clear, you understood what we have done. We had got in this question some ungrouped data was given. So what we did was we did grouping. How we did grouping? We arranged the events or items in ascending order. We found out that how many times it was repeating, and then we multiplied, we used the formula, and then we added these values and we got the final answer. So I hope it is clear. So let's move on to next problem. So here weekly paycheck earned by employees are given, okay, and also in this question number of employees are also given. So that means this is frequency f, okay, and this is x, and total of this is n, and then we have to multiply it. So it is for our convenience, we can write in tabular format, so that tabular column I meant, so that it is easy for calculation purpose. So x, f and fx. Because why we have to write it in this format? Because you know we are going to use the formula mean equal to summation fx by capital N. That is what we are going to use, right? So x here is 1000. I'm just repeating it, so that is why I'm bringing this notebook down. 900 is all given in the question, okay? 1200, 1100, 1300, okay, this is out of focus, and then 1400. And frequency given here are 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now you have to find out total of frequency. So if we add all of these together, we'll get 70. And then when we are multiplying this values, 1000 into 5000, 9900, this one is 14400. We are multiplying this 400, then 18200, one second, I'll just calculate this value. 100 into 15 equal to, so this is 21,000. Now we have, see, using this formula we have calculated fx, okay. So we have to find summation. Summation means total of this value, okay. So if we add together, it will be 82,800, okay. So we have got, see in this, just see this, see the main important thing in any practical problem is you have to learn the formula. So it is summation fx by capital N, okay. So we have got summation fx, that is f into x. We multiplied this f with this x, so we got fx, and now we have to take total of that and then total of this frequency, okay. If otherwise it is n, so n equal to 70. Now what we have to do, we have to simply divide this, and we'll get our final answer, 1182.86, okay. So I hope it is clear. So here in this question explicitly variables were given, frequency were given. It is very simple, we don't have to do anything, just write it in a tabular This one is x, so we have written here x variable, and this values number of employees, the repeating that is the frequency, so we have written that here. We multiplied both these things and we found out the total of n, and we found out the total of fx, and once you put it in that formula you will get the final answer. Okay, so this is how you have to calculate arithmetic mean for group data. Okay, so I hope it is clear, and I'm not leaving you without any homework. I'm going to give you a homework, a small homework. So just you can pause the video and you can note this question down. Calculate mean for the following distribution. X values are given 12, 36, 54, 72, 62, 42, 22, and the frequency is 6, 10, 15, 18, 22, 27, 30. You have to calculate the mean. Okay. So with this, I'm going to wind up the video, and please mention this answer in the comment section below, and if you want me to discuss any other practical problems, please mention that also in the comment section below. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.